Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Easy. How do you greet someone when you meet them?
How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
How's it going?
Pretty good?
What's up?
Not much.
How are you doing?
I'm doing well.
How have you been?
I've been fine.
What's going on?
Just working.
How's everything?
Everything's good.
Good to see you.
You too.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Are you from here?
No, I'm from New York.
So, what do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Have we met before?
I don't think so.
Long time no see.
Yeah, it's been a while.
How have you been?
I've been good.
Still working at the bank?
Yes, I am.
How's your family?
They're good.
How's work?
Very busy.
Didn't expect to see you here.
Small world.
How are you today?
I'm well, thanks.
Great to meet you.
You too.
Thanks for coming.
My pleasure.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good, just busy.
Hi there.
Hi.
What's new?
Not much.
Catch you later.
Sure, see ya.
Is this a good time?
Yes, it is.
Did I catch you at a bad time?
No, I'm free.
How's your week been?
It's been good.
You look great.
Thanks.
How do you say thank you in English?
You look great.
Thanks.
I like your outfit.
Thank you.
That was really kind of you.
No problem at all.
Thanks for the ride.
Anytime.
Thanks for helping me out.
Don't mention it.
Thank you for your time today.
It was my pleasure.
I really appreciate your help.
Happy to help.
Thank you for the opportunity.
You're very welcome.
I just wanted to say thank you for everything.
Of course, anytime.
I appreciate your support.
I'm glad I could help.
This is for you.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much.
Dinner's on me tonight.
Seriously? Thank you.
I brought you some cookies.
You're the best. Thank you.
You're invited to our barbecue this weekend.
Thanks. I'd love to come.
Here's your coffee.
Thanks a lot.
Let me know if you need anything else.
Will do. Thanks again.
Your total is $8.75.
Thanks. Have a good one.
You did an amazing job.
Thanks. That means a lot.
Your presentation was really impressive.
Thank you. I worked hard on it.
You're so talented.
Thank you. That's really kind of you.
Thanks again for coming.
Thanks for having me.
Have a safe trip.
Thanks. I'll text you when I land.
Great seeing you today.
You too. Thanks for everything.
What do you say when you meet someone for the first time?
You look great.
Thanks.
Is this your first time here?
Yeah, it is.
I've heard a lot about you.
All good things, I hope.
I'm Sarah, by the way.
I'm Jack. Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Are you from around here?
No, I'm from Seattle.
What brings you here?
Just visiting some friends.
Do you know anyone here?
Just a few people.
How do you know Emma?
We went to college together.
How long have you lived here?
Just over a year.
So, what do you do?
I work in marketing.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I really enjoy it.
Do you work nearby?
Pretty close, just downtown.
What do you do for fun?
I love hiking and music.
Have you traveled much?
A bit. I went to Europe last year.
What kind of music do you like?
Mostly indie and jazz.
Are you into sports?
A little. I like basketball.
Do you have any pets?
Yeah, I have a cat.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my sister.
How do you like the weather here?
It's nice, but a bit hot for me.
It's really nice talking to you.
You too.
Do you want to grab a coffee later?
Sure, sounds good.
I'm glad we met.
Me too.
Can I add you on Instagram?
Yeah, of course.
I'll see you around.
Definitely.
Let's keep in touch.
For sure.
How can you express your needs in English?
Can you help me carry this box?
Sure, no problem.
I need a hand with this.
I got you.
Can I borrow your pen?
Of course. Here you go.
Do you have an extra charger?
Yeah, I think I do.
I'll have the chicken sandwich, please.
Would you like fries with that?
Can I get a cup of coffee?
Sure. Anything else?
I'm looking for a pair of sneakers.
What size do you wear?
Do you have this in a medium?
Let me check for you.
What time does the movie start?
At 7:30.
Where's the nearest restroom?
It's down the hall to the left.
I want to go for a walk.
Sounds good. Let's go.
I feel like watching a movie tonight.
Same here.
Can I open the window?
Go ahead.
Let's order some pizza.
Yes, I'm starving.
I need to see a doctor.
I'll take you.
I'm really thirsty.
Want some water?
I need a break.
Yeah, let's take 5.
I'm not feeling well.
Do you want to lie down?
I just need someone to talk to.
I'm here for you.
I need some alone time.
Totally understand.
How do you say goodbye in English?
See you later.
See you.
Take care.
You too.
Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
Catch you later.
Yeah, talk soon.
Gotta run.
All right, take care.
I'll text you.
Cool, talk soon.
Peace out.
Later.
I'm out.
Bye, drive safe.
Thank you for your time.
My pleasure. Have a good day.
I look forward to working with you.
Same here. Talk soon.
I'll follow up by email.
Sounds good.
Have a good evening.
You too. Take care.
I'll let you go now.
All right, thanks for calling.
Talk to you soon.
Yeah, take care.
Thanks for the chat.
Anytime.
Good night. Sweet dreams.
Good night. Sleep tight.
Safe travels.
Thanks. I'll call when I land.
Don't forget to text me.
I won't. See you soon.
Take care of yourself.
You too. Thanks for everything.
Thanks for having me.
Anytime. Drive safe.
I had a great time.
Glad to hear it. Come by again soon.
All right, I should get going.
Okay, thanks for coming.
How do you accept or decline an invitation?
Want to grab some lunch?
Sure, I'm hungry.
Let's go to the movies tonight.
Sounds great.
Are you free this weekend?
Yeah, let's do something fun.
Come to my birthday party.
I'd love to.
Want to join us for dinner?
Sure, thanks for the invite.
Let's take a walk after work.
Good idea.
Do you want to go hiking tomorrow?
Yeah, count me in.
We're going bowling. You in?
Totally.
How about coffee after class?
Love to.
Can you come to the meeting at 3?
Yes, I'll be there.
Want to grab dinner tonight?
I can't tonight. Maybe another time?
Let's go shopping this afternoon.
I wish I could, but I'm busy.
Are you free to hang out?
Not today, sorry.
Come over this weekend.
I'll be out of town.
Want to go to the concert?
Thanks, but I'll pass.
Join us for lunch?
I already ate, thanks though.
Let's have a game night.
I'm not really in the mood.
Movie tonight?
Sorry, I've got other plans.
Want to study together?
I think I'll study alone today.
Come to the barbecue on Saturday.
I can't make it.
You coming to the party?
Maybe. I'll let you know.
Want to go out tonight?
Not sure yet. Let me check.
Let's catch a movie.
I'll think about it.
Want to join the road trip?
Sounds fun, but I'm not sure yet.
Come to the gym with me.
Maybe later.
Are you free this Friday night?
I might be. What's up?
Want to grab coffee now?
I'd love to, but maybe a bit later.
Let's go for a drive.
I'll see how I feel.
Want to come with us?
Let me think about it.
Can you join the call at 4?
I'll try, but no promises.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.